What is good, world? It is your motherfucking boy, The Session. We here at nighttime tonight, but by the time you watch this, it probably be during the day. I'm coming to you because I'm like, damn, if I'm, not too good to get back in the field and start working, I've been cooking here and there, man. I think I've maybe cooked 2 times in the past few months, and now all of a sudden my email list is full of people that want to pay me money, but also I want to make more. So a way that I can make more is by doing my private chefing on Yelp. Now for you, one of my homegirls, aka Sadia, she hit me up like, yo, how can I make a couple extra dollars? And also, what is the difference between some of the platforms? So what I'm going to do right here is tell you how you can put some money in your pocket. You got free time, you got some energy, you got some drive. I'm going to show you how you can put money in your pocket, literally starting tomorrow. So without further ado, like the video, subscribe, and let's get started. You did. All right, people. So this is going to be a straightforward video. The first way I'm going to suggest for you to make some money is with Thumbtack, because Thumbtack is straight to the point and you don't need a particular skill set or a specialty to go ahead and enter Thumbtack. Now, some of the pros of Thumbtack is that you can use their database to look up, different clients. You can look up different work that you could probably get in your area. You can see all the potential people, but the downside of it is that they charge you for leads. So what I do not like about it and did not like about it, I haven't used it in years. So some of y'all tell me below in the comments. Last time I checked it, when I used to try to get clients, they would make me pay to speak to people. So if I want to message somebody that says, hey, I want a chef for this, this, and this, I literally had to pay them money. But oftentimes I was down to my last dollar and just trying to make a play. So I didn't have a ton of money to be paying for leads. You feel what I'm saying? So Thumbtack is number one. Simple, straight to the point. All you're going to do is go on the platform and you can search anything. Organizing desks, organizing furniture, moving furniture, clerical work, organizing files, shopping for somebody, going to the dry cleaner. There's so many random things that you do not need a particular skill set for that you can do. And that is using thumbtack.com. They got an app, they got all that shit. Check it out. Thumbtack is number one. Up at numero dos, we're going to go with Fiverr. Now, Fiverr, a lot of people know about it now. It's a freelance company. I think it is like a junior version of Upwork. It's really dope for people that live international, and it's good for anybody who needs some quick work. Whether you are a person who needs to outsource or you're a person who needs to make some money, you can go on Fiverr and make money. But with Fiverr, you have to have a certain skill because you're going to be offering your service to be paid for it. So this is good for, logo design, graphic design, some sort of even clerical work on there as well, but you have to be very good at it, and you're going to want to build some sort of review, get a bunch of reviews so that you can rank in the upper people that have produced before. Fiverr is dope. Obviously, the name Fiverr, everything is meant to be $5, kind of like the dollar store. Everything in the dollar store ain't a dollar, but you get the drift. So Fiverr is dope. It's going to be the cheapest way you can make money, but I don't know that it's my favorite, but I think if you have a skill set, let's say, for example, let's make it up. Let's say graphic design, right? If you're good at graphic design or audio engineering, you put your service on Fiverr, but I would also put it on other platforms as well. Just in case, maybe you don't have the review set on Fiverr to actually start ranking. But Fiverr is a dope way to make some money, and you don't have to be necessarily the most advanced user. There's people making logos for $5 every day. And if you really want to hit a lick or hit a play, you could do a different flip. You could find a person that needs a logo or needs audio engineering or something, needs some sort of mix. You find the person that does it for cheaper, have the person pay you, and then you can outsource it to a person in the Philippines, someone overseas for a cheaper rate, or a college kid. You know what I mean? It's all about using your noodle, man. You do what you want, but I'm just leading you to the lake. You feel me? So number 2 is Fiverr. Next, I'm going to recommend you hit Upwork. Upwork is number 3. Upwork is a super dope application or website or service for freelancers. Now, this is for my people who are niche down and actually have a super specific skill set. You can go in here and offer all of your work. If you do the same services, audio engineering, graphic design, or if you do write code, you make bots. I found the person that does my Discord on Upwork.com. I found many social media managers this way. I found a lot of motherfuckers to work with. It's a dope site you can rely on. I like it because when you are relying on somebody, when you're hiring with somebody, you can see how much money they made on the platform, what their experience is, what their work history is, and how many hours of work they actually have on Upwork. So what I would recommend is, if you're going on there to make some money, you look at competition. You look at the other people who are doing what you're doing, look how their profile is set up, and kind of form yours to be the same. Get as many reviews as you can. This is what your homies, all the people you've ever did some work for, your past clients. Even if you had a job before, maybe holler at your supervisor or a couple people, your coworkers. Hey, can y'all write a review for me? I'm just started getting on Upwork. I need to get my, you know what I mean? So that could help you as well. So Upwork is a dope platform for all of my freelancers who actually have a dedicated skill and you believe you can offer a high level of money for it. This is going to be a dope way for you to make some money. But even if you don't have a good skill, maybe check on there and see if they have clerical work. That might be something you can, get your hands on, especially after work sometime. So there you have it, people. Those are 3 ways you can make some money. Now, of course, you can always do your DoorDashes, your Ubers, and things of this nature. But I'm speaking to kind of more so people who don't have that resource, or maybe you don't have a car all the time, or maybe, I'm not sure. But these jobs that I'm talking about, Upwork, Fiverr, these are often things you could do remote. You could do from your home. Or an office somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have to kind of drive around too much. With Thumbtack, you may need a vehicle because you're probably going to have to do party setups, go dog walk or pet sit, whatever it is you're going to have to do. You may need a vehicle for that. But, just letting y'all think outside the box. I wanted to deliver this to you again in case you forgot or you did not look up any of these websites. All of these websites can pay you some money. I'm talking about as fast as tomorrow. And shit, even if you get, if you get in the jam, go on Craigslist, see what you can do. Go on Facebook, in your town, in your community, wherever you live, type in jobs, Dallas, Texas jobs. I don't know, Philadelphia jobs. Go on Craigslist, get hungry. As long as you're hungry, the universe always bets on the one in motion. Shout out to Russ for that bar, but I love you. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. We are on the way and on the journey to 80K. I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.